So I'm at the laundromat and my clothes are in the washer, in the dryer, and the problem was today that I was so tired. I felt so dizzy, and then I couldn't work in our kitchen where everybody's sitting anymore because I was so dizzy and tired. And then I went to my car, I lay down, I was more dizzy, and then I slept. And I don't know why, but my phone switched itself off and the battery was too low, and also it was on the cable on the power bank, but I think it's not fitting correctly. I don't know. So I slept too much because I had an alarm for, I think, for 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but then I slept until nearly 5. Yeah, and now I feel really good. I might not look good, but I feel good because I slept enough. Yeah, that's my life at the moment. So boring.